Hi, and welcome to Boss Digi class. Today we will talk about gerunds for primary 3. Lecture 2, I like or love, or I don't like or I don't love. So what are gerunds? Gerunds are words that we say when we're doing an activity. Right? So I like drawing. I love drawing. It's actually a verb, but then we add the ending ing with it, and it becomes a noun. Right? I like drawing. I love drawing. It's usually an activity. She likes cooking. She loves cooking, right? Look at the ing here. This is a gerund, okay? Usually we use gerunds when we want to say we like or don't like to do something, right? Example, we don't like riding a bike. We don't love riding a bike, right? We like or we love riding our skateboard. All right, very good. Other example, she doesn't like riding a scooter. She loves riding her bike, okay? Do you understand? So when we want to tell something that we like or not like, right, we use gerund, which is the verb 1 plus ing. All right. So when we want to tell something that we like or not like, we skip the gerund if we use the noun. Remember this. So if we use the noun directly, like for example, I like math, right? So we skip the gerund. We skip the verb ing, right? I like math. So math is a noun. So that's why we skip the gerund. I don't like ice cream, right? Ice cream is the noun. Okay. Other examples for gerund. She likes books. She loves books, for example, right? He likes or loves. Notice the S here, right? Why is there an S after the verb, after love and like? Yes, because the subject is he. He, she, it. If the subject is he, she, or it, then we use S at the end of the verb, right? For simple present tense. All right, now let's do some exercises. She likes what? She likes sing or she likes singing? Remember the gerund? Yes, she likes singing. Sing with ing plus ing, right? The gerund. Sing plus verb ing. All right, now next. He likes, which one? He likes play guitar or he likes playing guitar? Which one? Exactly. He likes playing the guitar. Again, play verb 1 plus ing. So here in this table, you see whether if the subject is I, you, we, they, then there is S or no S. No S. Very good. And then plus the gerund or the noun, right? Swimming, riding, gymnastics, singing, etc. But if the subject is he, she, it, then what happens to the verb? We add S. That's right. Plus the gerund or the noun. He likes drawing. She likes sewing. It likes drinking. The dog likes drinking, for example. Again, with the don't like, what happens if the or doesn't like? What happens if the subject is I, you, we, they? Which one do we use if we want to say something, the negative version, right? Yes, we use don't. But if the subject is he, she, it, then we use what? What's this? Doesn't, right? We use doesn't. Same thing. I don't like swimming. They don't like singing. She doesn't like sewing. Oh, so good. All right, so this one, my brother like or likes swimming. Remember, look at the subject. Yes, it's a he, right? So we use S. Add S behind like or love because the subject is he. My brother is a boy, right? All right, next. You doesn't like or you don't like. Which one? Cooking. Yay, you don't like cooking. Why? Because remember, if the subject is I, you, we, they, then for the negative, we use do not or don't, right? She doesn't likes or she doesn't like. Which one? This is a trap because why? Both of them are doesn't, right? But this one is different. These ones are different. Likes and like. S and no S, right? So which one? Yay, she doesn't. like. Why? Because when we use does or did or do, then we use the base verb, right? No S. She doesn't like riding a bike. All right, next. They like or likes. Speaking English. They like, no S. Remember IU we they? No S, right? All right. What about Maya? Maya likes soccer or Maya like soccer? Which one? S or no S? That's right, S. Why? Because the subject is a she, right? So we add S behind the verb. What about soccer? Is this a noun or a gerund? Is this a noun or a gerund, verb 1 plus E? Of course, it's a noun, right? It's not a gerund. Okay, next. I don't like gymnastics or I doesn't like gymnastics. Yeah, sorry. I don't like gymnastics, right? Remember, they use don't, right? Okay, next. Tom don't like or Tom doesn't like doing that. Watch the subject. It's a he, so doesn't like. We use doesn't. That's right. All right, remember Tom is a he. Subject is he. We can also say Tom doesn't like math, right? Tom doesn't like math. And here, Tom doesn't like doing math. So doing is do plus ing. We're using a what? A gerund or a noun? A gerund. That's right. Gerund is verb 1 plus ing, right? Tom doesn't like doing math, but we can also say Tom doesn't like math, right? No gerund, but what's this? What is math? The gerund or the noun? The noun. That's right. Okay, everybody, that's the end of our lesson. Thank you so much. Goodbye.